Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use AI image generator on Canva. So for that you need to open up your Canva, then go to apps section, and in the apps you will find this option of text to image. Just click on it, then click on use. After that all you have to do is just type the prompt the way you type in ChatGPT, and this way you will be able to use the image or generate images on Canva by using prompts. So let me hit enter, and let's see what the Canva has for us. I hope it is better and not disappointing at all. Not bad. I typed sun rising on Jupiter, and this is what Canva has to show. And if we don't like it, then we can simply click on create again or start over for a new prompt. So this is how you can use AI image generators on Canva. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.